Alright, today I'll be making a creamy spinach, shrimp, and mushroom sauce served over rice. Start by dicing one small onion. I'll add 3 tablespoons of butter to a hot pan and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 2 pounds of shrimp. Saute until they're done and then remove. Now add fresh or frozen mushrooms and the diced onion to the pan. Saute until both the onion and mushrooms are soft. Now add 1 can of diced tomatoes. And 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix that in well. And add 2 cups of heavy cream. Stir in the cream, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now add your spinach. Once you've cooked down your spinach, add your shrimp back to the pan. Now salt and pepper to taste. Mix that in. Now add as much Parmesan cheese as your heart desires. Now you're ready to serve. I served mine over jasmine rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look at my other recipes for quick and easy meals.